Hi, I'm Colin Miller with American Honda, and we're here at Ironman Raceway in Crawfordsville, Indiana, and we're riding the all-new 2025 CRF450R. For this 2025 CRF450, we took a new approach to looking at how we were going to design it. We took the theme of redefined CRF. And with that, we were looking for several things. One of them being comfort, stability, and still keeping the same characteristics of great turning that this motorcycle has.
Okay, we're gonna ask a couple questions about the bike. What's the first kind of feeling you got?
Well, I ride the 24 a lot, so the shock's pretty tall. So this bike settles into the rut. Be able to turn back out of the rut's really nice and keep that front end from dragging the side of the ruts. Yeah. So that's a huge plus for me.
How's it going? Chris Kiefer from RacerX and Kiefer Inc. Testing. We are here at Ironman Raceway in Indiana. Initial impression on the bike, really quick, man. It's so easy to ride.
I've gotten to spend about 2 hours on the bike now. It is raining today, so we've gotten a little bit of change in conditions, but honestly, the different conditions we're dealing with has probably revealed the most, I'd say, impressive fact about this bike. The bike has maintained performance throughout the day. It has stayed consistent.
As far as a stock bike, you pull it out the crate and you want to go ride it and have fun with your mates, and you want to go battle with your mates on the weekend or during the week if you can get out. Unreal. A lot of people would be surprised with how much we've been pushing the stock bike to be more like the factory bike. In what ways? The ways of just easy rideability. We want linear throttle, linear power curve, just to, be able to ride it for longer, enjoy it longer, not have it beat you up on the track and just be a handful to hold on to.
So overall impression was the bike was extremely comfortable. This bike is very controllable to ride, very comfortable, and it has a wide range to it. The more I started pushing and really trying to get the most out of the bike, it handled that really well as well.
Other key points that I really like is the shift points are all on par. I'm not shifting on any jump bases.
Well, that's good to hear then.
Remember, Mr. Nice Guy, it's time to lock in.